I know of an area in Pennsylvania where grape hyacinth has been growing wild and naturalizing for decades. I would like to transplant some into my garden in Maryland. This past weekend, I tried to dig them with a trowel, but it seemed like we were unable to dig deep enough to find a bulb. Is it possible that grape hyacinth bulbs are just too deep to dig since they've been growing in that location for so many years? And this is More Must Be Better on YouTube. I like that, More Must Be Better. So what do you think? Is it possible that they're just too
I think
deep?
we may just need a larger shovel.
Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah. Larger shovel, dig down a little deeper, because look, they shouldn't be any deeper than about what, 5 inches?
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't think. I mean, we'll plan actually shallower than that if we
5
were
inches?
establishing them again. Yeah, and of course there is a risk. Of course, if you dig them too shallow, then you just take the tops. And, you miss the bulb. But I smiled at this question because grape hyacinths I grew up in more northern climates than where I live now in Tennessee, and so they were just a great bulb. And we're getting to the part now I have them growing all over my yard. I never thought of them, as a mildly invasive species, but they move pretty well.
They move pretty well. I have some in my landscape as well. I have dug some up before.
Yeah.
Didn't have to dig too deep.
Yeah. Where I have them, they're only 3 or 4 inches.
3 or 4 inches, but yeah, a bigger shovel. That's exactly what I thought of. And that should get it for you. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.